To install the Fit4 4-in-1 car seat with the vehicle seatbelt in the forward-facing position, begin by storing the latch anchors. Locate the top tether storage on the back of the Fit4. Open the compartment, tilt to release, and pull down to loosen the strap. Unhook the tether clip and close the compartment. Next, squeeze the recline adjustment handle and push back to adjust the seat to an upright position. Place the Fit4 on your vehicle seat in forward-facing position. Lay the tether strap over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seatbelt buckle and that the base is flat on the vehicle seating surface. Check that the headrest of the vehicle seat does not interfere with the headrest of the Fit4. Refer to the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble is in between the two lines for forward-facing installation. Readjust the recline as necessary. Lift the padding on the back of the seat and unsnap the lower back seat pad. Then, route the vehicle seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path indicated by the red text. Pass the belt across the back and down through the forward-facing belt path opening on the opposite side of the Fit4. Buckle the seatbelt. Push down on the Fit4 and pull up on the shoulder belt in a vertical direction. While still pulling up, slide the shoulder belt into the lock-off. Always use the lock-off on the opposite side of the seatbelt buckle. Pull the rest of the vehicle seatbelt out and put it into locked mode. Reattach fabric back seat panel. Locate the tether anchor in your vehicle. Attach the tether hook and pull the adjuster strap to tighten. Hold the Fit4 at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is in between the two lines for the appropriate forward-facing stage. If necessary, loosen the latch and tether straps, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the Fit4 is installed properly.